delicious. Yay! I can't see. I can't see, Mummy. And it's on the table. Hello, I'm good at making chocolate balls. And so I go for you and go for you and go for you and go for you, and you love them, and I eat them all up. But these are our ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ingredients. This is our coconut oil. This is flaxseed. This is shredded coconut. And this one, and this is dates. And this is dates. You need your mummy and daddy to mix, or you can mix it up in the little blender. We are gonna mix it all together. We are gonna mix it in our bowl. Get a bowl, get a bowl, get a bowl, get a bowl. Whoa, it's going down and down and shut. We're gonna wrap, and we're gonna roll a bowl and put it in the coconut and put it on the tray. And I love making chocolate balls. Mom, can I get a big one? Whoa, that's a big one. No, this one was in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 coconut balls. Which oven do you want to put it in? Yes. For one, I will put it in for you. I will put it in. But I will put it in. I will. Do you feel no shut it? Let's shut it. Let's shut it. 1, 2, 3, 4. They've been in the fridge for 20 minutes, and now they are ready. Yum! I hope you like watching it, and love you watching my show. My brother is from and hurt himself. No, I didn't hurt myself. I didn't hurt